Hello guys, we have a Galaxy Tab A to fix today. We're just gonna remove the screen glass. The LCD is good. So let's get started. First we have to heat up the screen glass so we can take it out, and be careful when doing that so we don't touch the LCD. We have to go underneath the glass but go upward, not down. Just go underneath and go upward so we can put up the glass. You can use the pick so we can keep them in place, just like you see on the video. Go upward, just like that. Keep going. Okay, once you get to that point, you can stop. Okay, you can pull up the glass, not all the way. Look on the corner, you're gonna see the gap. Then get something flat like this to go in between the gap. Go around it, don't force it, just keep going. Even if you don't see anything happening yet, just keep going all around it and it's gonna come up. As you can see, it's already coming up. Okay. Okay, now it's separated from that. Remove the actual tablet from the back cover. Okay. Disconnect the glass screen cable and then the battery cable. And heat up the rest of the glass so you can finish removing the glass screen. Okay, now you can see the glass is out. We have to remove all the leftover adhesive that stay behind. Now we have to clean the LCD. Now we have to apply the tape. Now once we're done applying the adhesives, we have to remove the covers. Just aligned it with the home button. Okay, connect the cable for the screen. The battery cable, you have to connect it back. Before we put the back cover, we have to test the screen to make sure it's working. As you can see, it's on, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna put the back cover. And just go around it, don't force it. Just go around it. Even if you don't see anything happening, just keep going around it, and eventually it's gonna go in. If you force it, you might mess up the glass screen you just put in. Just go around it. You're going multiple times. Don't worry about it. Don't rush it. Just take your time. Go around it. Okay, as you can see, everything is in place perfectly. Now we can turn it on and see, make sure nothing goes wrong in the process, and we should be good.